I just feel like if you don't like something, what's the point in using it? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a very interesting video. Normally I don't do this type of videos, but because one of you asked me, I think I should, give you guys my opinion on what I think about this particular situation. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also share my video with your friends. So the other day I did a ball spray tutorial, and I used STYLER gel. That's the gel I normally use, and I got a comment from one of you asking me if I'm still using STYLER gel, and I'm like, why won't I be using STYLER gel? So I checked on YouTube and I saw that this video has been going on about STYLER gel being cancelled, and STYLER gel possibly causing cancer and all these things, and I just decided to watch some videos, and I just want to give you guys my opinion because I've been using STYLER gel. Let me show you right here, because I've been using STYLER gel for almost 4 years now since I went natural. But before I begin, I just want to say that I'm not in any way bashing anybody, because at the end of the day our opinions differ. I have my opinion, you might have your opinion, we all have different opinions. So I'm just saying my opinion. I'm just saying to you guys what I actually think about this situation, and I don't even know who makes STYLER gel. I don't know that. I don't even know anything about it. It's just that this is the product I've been using. So when things like this come up, of course I believe, because since I've been using it every time for all my tutorials, if you watch my videos, I think I should come and just say what I think about the whole situation. And I'm also going to link some of the videos I watched in the description box below. So for those of you who have not seen those videos, I noticed that some people say that they've been reacting to STYLER gel, or they've been feeling unwell generally. They've been having irritation and all those things, and some people actually say they don't like the smell. I just feel like if you don't like something, what's the point in using it? I really applaud whoever it is that went to do the research and found out the ingredients, or some of the ingredients they use to make STYLER gel, and they actually associated the ingredients to something that might end up causing cancer or something. I just feel like it's good to pass the knowledge, let people know that look, this ingredient they are using, it might have some effects or some side effects and all those things. But at the end of the day, what I really don't agree with is the approach, because I just feel that it's kind of really harsh. Because at the end of the day, I've been using STYLER gel and I've never had any form of irritation whatsoever. To me, STYLER gel is one of the best gel. That's to me is one of the best gel I've ever used. But it's good to know that there are some ingredients that they're actually using that are not, maybe not appropriate, because I don't know anything about that. Maybe according to them not appropriate, that might actually lead to cancer and all those things. If we start listing the list of things in this life that we are doing every day that is that might lead to cancer, then we're not gonna leave this place. Because it's like they say, if you use the microwave and you use plastic to warm your dish in the microwave, that causes cancer. With the when you boil hot water in the kettle, the electric kettle, it causes cancer. Like, there's so many things that people attribute to causing cancer. So if you actually, the makeup we use, the makeup we use, the hair cream we use, almost everything we use, there are chemicals in those things. And if we start picking out one and say, okay, this one is going to do this to you, it's going to kill you, it's going to cause this, and it's like, if you want to counsel one, you have to counsel everything, because it's not really fair. But I'm really grateful for the information. It's now left for you as an individual to say, okay, I want to keep using STYLER gel, I don't want to keep using STYLER gel. One major problem I know people get a lot with STYLER gel is the fact that it has white flakes. It leaves white flakes on your hair, which I actually feel that is true. It does leave white flakes on your hair, especially when your hair is not properly dry. It happens to me a lot, especially when my hair is not properly dry. Like, my hair is not dry right now, so it leaves white flakes on your hair. And also, especially with wash and go, it's just the worst with it. You have to make sure that your wash and go is really dry, so that you won't get much flakes with STYLER gel. So there was a time I was really worried about it. I decided to try another gel. So I went to the shop and I bought this gel. You can see the gel is still full. I only used the gel once. You know, I just used the gel once and that was it. Like, I didn't like it. It didn't slick my hair very well. I just feel like STYLER gel is the only gel that slicks my hair very well, and it doesn't have a bad smell. For me, there's no product you can actually buy that doesn't come with chemical. It's just so hard to find products you buy or you use without chemical, because you fix your nails and you put on false lashes, you do makeup, and you don't know what they used to do all those things. This highlighter they do and everything, you don't know what they used to do these things. So for you to ask me my opinion, or for you to ask me if I'm gonna cancel STYLER gel, I am not going to cancel STYLER gel. I'm still gonna keep using STYLER gel. Will I look for any other gel? Yes, I will look for any. I'll try and see if I can find any other gel. Why? Because I don't want gel that will give me white flakes, and I want a gel that will slick my hair. That is just why. Because if I start looking at the ingredients in everything we eat, especially with what we eat, you know, especially the packaged food and all those things, or the, you know, do you know what they put in these things? You don't know what they put in these things. So that's what it's gonna be. Like I said earlier on, I am just saying what I think. I am not trying to put anybody down. No, God knows. I'm just trying to say what I think, and it's my opinion. What is your opinion? What do you guys think? Are you still using STYLER gel, or are you gonna stop using STYLER gel, or are you going to look for a new gel to try all over? You know, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. DJ Boat on this one. The future is done. Oh my baby boo.